is the most precious and the most beneficent. Then I recite millions of the blessings on our last prophet, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Mr. President, worthy judges, respectable teachers, and beloved audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to share my thoughts and opinions about corruption. Corruption ने छीन ली है हर खुशी की रोशनी. Corruption ने छीन ली है हर खुशी की रोशनी. अंधेरों में डूब गई है हक की बंदगी. रिश्वत का जहर फैला है रगों के दरमियान. ईमान की सदा खो गई शोरे जहां. ऐ कौम अगर चाहो इज्जत और निजात तो मिटा दो करप्शन को, यही है असल बात. Mr. President, corruption is a disease and its vaccination is transparency. Power does not corrupt the people. Never people corrupt the power. Corruption is that ball of snow which comes round and it keeps rolling. Corruption, corruption and corruption. Terrorism, terrorism and terrorism. Poverty, poverty and poverty. We can talk about the problems, but not solution. Give me a minute, I will give you the solution. The way of life can be free, but corruption. The way of life can be changed, but terrorism. The way of life can be free and beautifully, but we have lost the way. God's greed has poisoned, man's soul has been barricaded. We think too much and we feel too little. We think too much and we feel too little. So who will solve all these problems? God will, yes, God will, cause we can't. The power of God is within a man, not one man, not two men, not one group, not two groups, but all in you. You the people have the power to crush and break the rules of corruption. That humans have the power to bring humanity back into the world. That humans have the power to bring peace back into the world. The poet says, यहाँ बिकता है सब कुछ जरा संभल कर रहना. यहाँ बिकता है सब कुछ जरा संभल कर रहना. लोग बेच देते हैं हवाओं को गुब्बारों में डालकर. Ladies and gentlemen, what we got to do? Actually, there are two circles in my society. The first circle is my circle. The poor circle in my circle. What happens? If a person steals for lakh rupees, his hands are cut. He is going to spend his 4 years in the prison. And the second circle, the high fire circle, the circle of rich people, what happens? If there a person steals for billion rupees, his hands are not cuffed. His hands are going to be shaken. Why? Because all are connected with us. Again in my circle, we the students, we work hard, really we work hard. But what happens at the time of result? They tell us that sorry, seat is already taken. Have you taken our heart? I am only talking about the